everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna do a 5 minutes makeup challenge. Okay, this seems to be 10 but I'm doing 5 minutes makeup challenge, and honestly speaking I'm really nervous because I've never done it, like makeup under 5 minutes, never. So yes, and I think I am going to do this. Like, I don't know how it is going to turn out, but this is the look that I've created. You have to see how much it takes me to do this challenge under 5 minutes. And I do have some strategy of doing this makeup. Like strategy, I won't say a strategy because we are not going to plan a heist, but yes, there are some things that I am very careful of. Like I have to do those things that are really important, like my mascara, my brows, the base of course, and the blush. And if I get time, I'll do the bronzing as well. So these are the things that I'm keeping in mind. That's it. So yes, if you want to know how I've done this challenge, then please continue watching. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly set the timer and let's start this challenge. So okay, so I have set the time to 5 minutes, and yes, I'm really nervous, but I'm gonna do it quickly. So start. So first, for the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible and I'm in the shade, I don't know. So I've taken it directly on the brush. I'm gonna apply it quickly, and I'm using brush because quick application, that's what I need right now. And these stupid hair. So it's already 30 seconds over. So I'm gonna take it all the way to my eyes as well, because you don't have time to color correct. So better do it with the foundation instead. Okay, 1 minute over. Now I'm gonna quickly move on to the concealer under my eyes, like this, my lids. That's it. Here. And going in with the same brush. In circular motions, I'm gonna quickly do this. And meanwhile, I'm getting my hands on next product, which is definitely powder. So it's done. Where is my beauty blender now? Okay, so I'm gonna quickly just make sure there is no creasing. Okay, and now with the same brush, I'm gonna set my face with powder. I don't need on my face because the foundation was demi matte, but I'm definitely gonna need some under my eyes. And the circular motions. Meanwhile, the next product. Okay, just 3 minutes left. So base is done, and now I'm gonna quickly move on to my brows. Brow. So quickly I'm gonna. So I'm using this brow pencil because it is really handy. I don't have time to shape it with any powder or so. 2.5 minutes left. That's it. It's such a mess. Whatever. Okay, 2 minutes left, and now it's time for my eyeshadow. And for that, I'm gonna use this pink shimmer shade all over my lid. And now I'm gonna quickly use my blending brush. 1 minute is left. I'm gonna quickly apply my mascara now. Seconds. Now I'm gonna quickly apply this blush from Savannah palette. Look at the brush that I'm holding. This is a powder brush, not a blush brush. And gonna quickly bronze my face with this. 38 seconds left. Lipstick. So I'm using this L'Oreal lipstick. Whatever, 20 seconds, and highlighter is still left. 15, 10, 4. Okay, so I'm done. I am on time, and let's see what I've left and what I've done. So this is what, and this is how my face looks like right now. So lipstick is good, nothing to complain about, and my base is totally set, nothing to complain about. I can't see any creasing if you see and take a closer look. And my mascara is on point, my eyeshadow is on point, like it is really good and nice, and it is nicely blended as well. But talking about my lower lash line, can you see this color coming through here? So my lower lash line is such a mess right now. And my mascara is great. My eyebrows, they look so patchy. I don't know whether the camera is capturing it, like it can catch it or not, or you can see it or not. But yes, my brows are looking really patchy, so they are not on point. Let me just comb them. I can do that. So yes, other than that, my highlighter is looking good. Like I have just quickly applied it, so no precision in it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to mention this in comment, like how much you want to give me out of 10, how much you want to score this look. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.